Next, this question was that right now things are changing a lot. A lot of people are questioning formal education as a concept, like standardized tests and all.
Yeah.
So, do you think that right now, given the time we are living in, given COVID that has paced up things very much in the education sector, do you think
Mm-hmm.
that like formal education, like these chasing big degrees like MBA or probably even chartered accountancy for that per se, do you think that this entire chase would stay like 3 4 years from now, or will it be like people just learning skills from anywhere, probably the internet, and then getting hired just on the basis of the skill? Do you think that's happening?
Um, Honestly, like I have seen that work experience has it now does play a bigger role than a degree, but it's very it's a slow paced change that's happening.
Yeah,
I wouldn't say that something like an MBA or a CA wouldn't have a value, wouldn't have a value 5 to 10 years from now. It would still be valuable. The only thing I would say is that build your other skills along with any degree that you're doing,
yeah,
and try to do short internships, volunteering experience, get out there and hustle hard, and get real life exposure and experience. That will always be a better story for you to tell in an interview than a degree you studied for.
yeah,
So everybody's just going to ask you questions on what projects you've led, what teams you've managed, what kind of work you've done, rather than, okay, how was high school for you or how was college life for you,
yeah,
right? So I would say we are transitioning very slowly. And I read a very interesting book called The 100 Year Life. I would really recommend you reading it. It says that, you know, how you as humans, our lifespan is going to increase because life expectancy is increasing. So if,
yeah,
let's say, if you're going to live for 100 years, things we've studied till the age of 20, 22 are not going to be valuable for the rest of our life. We
yeah.
will continuously have to do other degrees or other courses, or keep,
Upgrading.
you know, upskilling ourselves
Yeah.
regularly throughout our career. So
Mm.
maybe I'll pick up a course in my 40s or in my 50s and do another degree to, you know, keep myself ahead of the competition, or keep myself abreast of what are the key trends in the industry. So I think once you've studied, don't think that you're done studying. You have to keep educating yourself. You have to keep yourself to be curious, inquisitive, keep learning new things. You know, like you're doing BCom right now, but you're
Yeah,
also doing this podcast on the side, and you're learning things like talking to people, editing, and, you know, just conducting conversations. So
yeah,
you are opening up your whole like an you have a skill set that you've developed, not just commerce related subjects, but there are so many other things that have come in your life because of this podcast. So just
yeah.
think of things you can do on this side and keep building your skills on those things.
Yeah, understood. This point that you raised about education being a regular thing and not just a one-time process that okay you get a degree. I remember
Yeah.
this guy Vishen Lakhiani. He owns a company called Mind Valley. So they run on this concept wherein they say that they are not into any kind of formal course selling or education and all. They run this program for entrepreneurs wherein for 11 months you stay wherever you are in whichever country you are, run your business, do whatever you're doing. For the 12th month, all these entrepreneurs from different countries across the world, they gather together in one particular country. Every year they change the location, and for one particular year they come in this particular country, and then all of them are learning together. There are like guest lecturers and everything is happening. So it's like a lifetime membership. Once you become a member, it's like every year of your life you go there, you spend 1 month with fellow entrepreneurs. And I feel that that is a very good approach towards studies in general. Like if
That's amazing.
you're
Yeah,
saying
that's a
every
great
year.
concept.
Yeah,
I agree with you. That's a very fantastic uh, you know, mission that they're on. I think it's amazing. There's nothing more that you can learn from people who are doing similar things than you, and, you know, maybe ahead 5 to 10 steps
yeah,
than you. That's what I do. I actually watch a lot of other YouTubers who are making such amazing content, and I try to, you know, take inspiration from them,
yeah.
um, and add my own sort of element and my own experience to what they are saying.
Yeah,
So I think yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, I agree. You can't learn better than from the experience of other people.